Clear the clutter, a stress cleanse for the mind. Find a comfortable place to rest. Allow your body to settle naturally. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale and let go of tension. Bring awareness to your mind. Notice any busy thoughts. There's no need to judge them. Simply observe what is present. Imagine your mind as a room. Notice everything inside this space. Some thoughts may feel scattered. Some thoughts may feel heavy. Take a slow breath in. Create space with each exhale. Allow mental clutter to loosen. You do not need every thought. You do not need every worry. Let unnecessary thoughts drift away. Picture them like leaves in a stream. Watch them float away gently. Return your focus to breathing. Feel your mind becoming lighter. There's more room for calm. There is more room for clarity. Release thoughts about yesterday. Release worries about tomorrow. Come back to this moment. This moment is enough. Take another deep breath. Exhale and clear more space. Imagine opening a window in your mind. Fresh air begins to enter. The room feels brighter now. The space feels more peaceful. Allow calm to fill the emptiness. Let peace replace overthinking. Let stillness replace pressure. You do not need to solve everything. You only need this breath. Notice the quiet beginning to grow. Feel your mind slowing down. Thoughts come and go naturally. You remain calm and steady. Take a gentle breath in. Release mental tension as you exhale. Imagine clearing one shelf at a time. Making room for what matters. Keeping only what serves you. Let go of mental noise. Let go of unnecessary pressure. You are creating inner order. You are creating inner peace. Breathe slowly and naturally. Allow clarity to emerge. Feel your awareness becoming sharper. Feel your thoughts becoming simpler. There is beauty in simplicity. There is strength in calmness. Imagine a clear blue sky. Your mind is becoming like that sky. Open, spacious, and peaceful. Clouds may still pass through, but they do not stay. Allow each thought to move on. Without holding on to it. Without pushing it away. Simply observe and release. Your mind knows how to clear itself. Trust this natural process. Feel more space within you. Feel more ease within you. Take a calming breath in. Exhale slowly and completely. Let go of mental overload. Release the need to multitask. Focus on one breath at a time. One moment at a time. One peaceful step at a time. Notice how light your mind feels. Notice how calm your body feels. Allow this calm to deepen. Stay with this gentle clarity. You are creating mental space. You are creating inner freedom. Let your breathing remain steady. Feel centered and balanced. Your mind is becoming refreshed. Your energy is becoming renewed. Take another slow breath. Let peace flow through you. Allow clarity to stay with you. Trust the quiet within. Trust your ability to reset. Everything feels more spacious now. Everything feels more manageable. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. Rest in this understanding. Feel calm and clear. Feel light and refreshed. Begin returning to the present. Notice your surroundings again. Feel the support beneath you. Take a deeper breath. Bring gentle movement to your hands. Bring gentle movement to your feet. Carry this clarity with you. Carry this calm into your day. Remember, you can return here anytime. One breath can change everything. One moment of stillness can help. Take a final deep breath in. Exhale with ease and gratitude. Feel refreshed and renewed. Gently open your eyes. Return with a clear mind. Return with a peaceful heart. Thank you for taking this time for yourself.